Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put prices on your art in Roblox and Starving Artists. So make sure you've created your art here. I've already done that. Add art. I know this one looks horrible, but you're just going to select it. Then you're going to add your prices here, or you can enter like a game pass, like you upload a game pass on the Roblox website. Then you're just going to select done. This looks horrible. I'm just going to remove it though. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.